Hey folks, Vic here with a midweek video for you, and these videos are often going to replace the end of the week video that I usually do, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of these videos. One of the most important foundational parts of our trading approach is the proper identification of key levels of support and resistance. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you how I identify great levels on the higher time frames every single day for finding Forex scalping opportunities for our scalping service members. If you like this video and you find it useful, I hope you do, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell when you do so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Okay, let's go find some great levels. Okay, so what we're looking for are levels that are great daily and 4-hour levels, and then we use a 15-minute chart to find patterns to get us into the trades. We have specific patterns for that. Now this is important. Just because price is at a key level of support resistance does not necessarily mean that we're going to have a trade. Okay, we need to see a confirming pattern, and that's because by getting the pattern allows us to structure the trade properly with the exact entry, the stop loss, and all that kind of thing. Very important. So we'll have a look at an example here. This is the Euro British Pound pair. By the way, for our scalping service, I show these levels every single day to our members on 27 different currency pairs, as well as the dollar index. So we're always looking for trades. And I post that video to our members site every day. So anyway, on this pair here, I want you to notice, now my charts are set up so I have a weekly chart on the upper left, a daily chart on the upper right, then a 4-hour chart down here, and then a 15-minute chart down here. The weekly chart is just used for reference. It's actually a very good one to use when you're scalping because you can see that this was a resistance level. It went through it and came back down, hit this support. Look at how that held. And now we've hit this, and we just keep that in the back of our mind so that if we get a sell on a daily and 4-hour chart, a resistance level setup, pardon me, then that's a good opportunity. Now on the daily chart, these are the main ones, the daily 4-hour. You can see that this was a very strong level of resistance, and it was actually resistance over here, cut through it a bit. But look at all these wicks, rejection, rejection, rejection. And we don't know what's going to happen. And just ignore these other lines for now. They're just other levels that we keep an eye on. As price came up to it, we don't know what's going to happen. Okay, we just know that we're at a level. And if I go to my 4-hour chart, I want you to see that why I picked these levels. You can see that if you look left, look at these levels on the 4-hour chart. And like I tell our members, we can adjust these lines a little bit on our 4-hour chart, because this is actually a pretty good, what we call a significant neckline right here, which happens to be pretty much the exact high of this move right here. So that's a great level. So you could certainly adjust that, and you need to be aware of those levels. And then on our 15-minute chart, now we're looking for a pattern. Well, this horizontal line at the top is that exact same line we were looking at, and look what's happening. Price is going higher, the MACD is going lower. This is our divergence pattern, and it qualified the way that it needs to qualify. It rallies up. It needed, and by the way, this trade was pointed out by one of our members, which is great to see. I mean, I just love it when members see trades and point them out, and they can see what's going on. That's a really good sign. The sell was up here at 91.32. It needed a 12 pip risk. Great for scalping. And it went all the way down. This is an opposing daily level down here. So when that happens, that's a great place to take a profit. Yes, I know it went further down, but you don't know. That's all hindsight. This move right down to here was worth about 44 pips. Okay, so with a 12 pip initial risk, it was about a 3.6 to 1 reward risk. Pretty darn good. That's the potential with these very small pip risk scalp trades. And actually, they're really good for anybody who doesn't, if you don't have a large trading account to begin with, you know, this kind of an approach is pretty good. And by the way, full disclosure here on this. This trade was identified by one of our scalp service members, as I said. And in our chat room, we talked about it. Other traders passed on it because it has a British pound in the pair, Euro British pound. And right now, any pair with the British pound in it is very sensitive to the Brexit news, which comes out randomly and can, you know, just all of a sudden some news will come out during the day, and it can have it can really affect your position one way or another. Lots of volatility. So that's something important to be aware of, and you need to be comfortable taking these kind of trades. And if you're comfortable with that, cool, take the trade. You know, the trading is, your trading plan is your plan, not my plan. It's about you and your plan. I teach how to find these trades and set them up. This isn't a call service. I teach people to trade, just like Darko does with our day trading service. Okay, so that's how we use these higher level time frame support resistance levels to sniff out a great trade. Okay, there you go. Hopefully you found this useful. And if you want more information on our Forex scalping service, there's a link in the text below this video or in the email that you received. In fact, let me know in the comments below if this kind of information is helpful and I can do more of it. And again, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much, everyone. Take care.